The year was 2022 here at this Motel 6 in Fort Collins. A transgender woman claims she was repeatedly forced to sell her body in rooms, according to this federal lawsuit filed in Colorado this month. She accuses the hotel of negligence because the owners failed to notice she was being victimized.
No one is above the law, and so people need to be held accountable.
The victim, listed anonymously as PC, is represented by Kelly Hyman, an attorney out of Florida. She is using an updated provision in federal law that allows sex trafficking victims to sue hotels.
When you have these type of cases, it's important for the victims to have their day in court, have their voice be heard.
Under the Trafficking Victims Protection Reauthorization Act, a hotel can be forced to pay a victim monetary damages. Victims must prove a hotel failed to train staff to help stop human trafficking or turned a blind eye to it. Victims can also claim a hotel indirectly profited from sex trafficking by accepting payments for rooms.
I think that if you're not training your staff to know what's happening, I think that's negligent, because a lot of human trafficking happens in hotels.
Janelle Goodrich is the founder of From Silence to Saved, a group that helps victims of sex trafficking from the moment they are found through the prosecution of their pimps. She's responded to hotels and also trains them to stop human trafficking.
Traffickers tend to know where they can operate and where they cannot.
Goodrich cannot specifically speak on any case, but gave us her insight in general terms.
Most of the time, in my experience, it's usually a manager or a desk clerk that has an outside relationship with the trafficker or pimp, and they're allowing them to operate there, and they're getting a little bit of the proceeds.
I visited the lobby of that Motel 6, left messages for the owners, and contacted the corporate offices. So far, no response yet. The attorney representing this victim also represents another victim who filed a lawsuit against a hotel in Colorado Springs. So relatively a new legal method, Kim.
Yeah, it is new. Most of us hadn't heard about that. Yeah. What are the signs hotels should be looking for, people that work at hotels?
Yeah, one of the big ones is obvious, looking for constant foot traffic of different people going in and out of rooms. And there are many other signs, and these are things that hotels do undergo training for.
Okay, yeah. That's good to know. They should be aware.
Yeah,
all right.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Jeremy.